Hey friends, welcome to our channel. The future holds endless possibilities, a canvas on which we will paint the story of our lives. As we stand on the precipice of tomorrow, our thoughts are naturally drawn towards the exciting prospects that lie ahead. In this blog, we'll embark on a journey of imagination and exploration, delving into the potential aspects of our future lives that spark curiosity and wonder. Technological marvels. The pace of technological advancement shows no signs of slowing down. Our future life promises innovations that could reshape the way we live, work, and interact. From self-driving cars that revolutionize transportation to smart cities that enhance urban living, technology will undoubtedly play a significant role in our daily experiences. Career pathways. The landscape of careers is evolving rapidly, with new industries emerging and traditional roles transforming. Our future might bring forth professions that we can scarcely imagine today. Fields like AI ethics, virtual reality design, and space tourism management could become mainstream career choices, reflecting our ever-changing world. Personalized health and wellness. With advancements in medical research, our future life could see a shift towards personalized healthcare solutions. Imagine wearable devices that monitor our health in real time and offer tailored recommendations, or even gene editing technologies that combat hereditary diseases before they manifest. Environmental consciousness. As environmental concerns take center stage, our future life could prioritize sustainability and eco-consciousness. Renewable energy sources might become the norm, and communities could strive for zero-waste living. Embracing greener practices could shape our daily routines and societal norms. Interconnectedness and social dynamics. The digital age has brought people from all corners of the world closer together. Our future could be characterized by even deeper levels of interconnectedness, transcending borders and fostering cross-cultural understanding. Virtual reality could enable us to participate in global events without leaving our homes, redefining our sense of community. Exploration of space and beyond. The cosmos has always held a fascination for humanity. Our future life might involve space tourism, colonization of other planets, and groundbreaking discoveries that reshape our understanding of the universe. Space travel could become a reality for the adventurous at heart. Embracing change and uncertainty. As we ponder our future life, it's essential to remember that change is the only constant. Embracing uncertainty with a flexible mindset will be crucial. Our ability to adapt to unforeseen challenges and capitalize on emerging opportunities will shape the narrative of our lives. Creating a healthy life is a holistic endeavor that encompasses various aspects of well-being. It begins with nurturing your physical health through regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and sufficient rest. Engaging in physical activity you enjoy, consuming a diverse range of whole foods, and prioritizing adequate sleep can contribute to your overall vitality. Equally important is nurturing your mental and emotional health. Practicing mindfulness, managing stress, and seeking meaningful connections with others can enhance your mental well-being. Remember that a healthy life also involves striking a balance between work, personal time, and leisure activities. Cultivating hobbies and interests that bring joy, as well as dedicating time to self-care, can foster a sense of fulfillment. Ultimately, a healthy life is built upon mindful choices, self-compassion, and a commitment to lifelong learning and growth. Self-wellness, a cornerstone of a fulfilling life, involves deliberately caring for one's physical, mental, and emotional well-being. By dedicating time to practices that prioritize the self, individuals can foster a sense of balance and vitality. This multifaceted approach encompasses various aspects, from nurturing the body through exercise, proper nutrition, and restful sleep, to cultivating a resilient mind through mindfulness, meditation, and positive self-talk. Emotional well-being is nurtured by engaging in activities that bring joy and fulfillment, fostering social connections, and setting healthy boundaries. Self-wellness is not merely a luxury but a necessity, a proactive way to enhance resilience, manage stress, and lead a life imbued with purpose and satisfaction. Through the integration of self-care practices into daily routine,